Greetings, Invest Insight viewers. Today, we're slithering into a topic that might surprise you: python farming. Is raising snakes for profit a crazy idea or a multi-million-dollar opportunity hiding in plain sight? Let's break it down. First, let's look at the upsides. Researchers have studied commercial python farms in places like Thailand and Vietnam, and the results are intriguing. Pythons are incredibly efficient converters of protein. This makes them a highly sustainable and environmentally friendly protein source. Pythons can survive for months without food and grow rapidly, reaching slaughter weight in their first year. And with a single female python capable of laying 50 to 100 eggs a year, their reproductive rate is outstanding. In a world facing food insecurity and climate change, proponents argue this could be a game changer. But the real value comes from their multiple products. There's the meat, which is high in protein and low in saturated fat. In many parts of Southeast Asia, snake meat is already a popular dish. There is also a lucrative market for python skin, prized for its unique patterns and durability in the high-end fashion industry. Some farms also sell fat and gallbladders for medicinal purposes in certain markets. This diverse revenue stream is what makes the business model potentially so lucrative. For local farmers in Asia, this has already become a viable supplemental income. Now, before you start a snake farm, let's talk about the challenges. Market resistance. In Western countries, cultural perception is a huge obstacle. Many consumers are simply not ready to eat snake meat. Regulation and licensing requirements. In many countries, there are strict regulations and licensing requirements for owning and breeding exotic animals. Operational costs. While pythons are low maintenance compared to some animals, they still require specific temperature control and an appropriate diet. Ethical concerns. The idea of farming snakes, particularly for skins, raises serious ethical questions for animal welfare organizations. So, is python farming a million-dollar opportunity? The answer is, it's complicated. For Western investors, it's a long shot right now. The cultural barriers, regulatory hurdles, and potential ethical backlash make it a high-risk venture. The market simply isn't there yet. However, for those in regions where snake meat is already a delicacy, or for investors willing to play the very long game on sustainable protein, the potential exists. The impressive efficiency and sustainability of python farming is undeniable. Ultimately, it's not a get-rich-quick scheme. It's a speculative and potentially disruptive investment in the future of food. It requires extensive research, a deep understanding of the market, and a willingness to navigate significant social and regulatory challenges. So, for now, while we keep an eye on the future of protein, maybe stick to investing in more traditional assets. Thanks for watching Invest Insight.